Yamaha is charging KTM. This less is better. Today we have a KTM 450 SXF motocross bike 2013, and this machine has a problem. No crank, no start. Yeah, it doesn't start. Let's figure it out. I have no idea what's wrong. Let's confirm the issue and go from there. My transmission is in neutral. Here's my engine on kill switch, and on the right hand side we have a push button to start the engine. Let's crank it over. Nothing happened, but we could. Here's a click. Click. It means something on the electrical side is not working properly. Let's pop the seat and check the battery. Battery is located right under the seat over here. T30 hex. Here, let's remove the screw. Here we go. And pop the seat. Pull it up and pull it back. See how it latches. Okay, let's put the seat aside. Here's our battery. Let's check the connections first. Check for any corrosion, oxidation, any greens. Everything looks just fine. This is auto market, not a factory. Broken strap. And okay, on this side is everything so far mechanically looking good. Let's hook up a voltmeter and see what voltage readings we have. Here we go. Here's my voltmeter. Let's set it to DC volts like that. I hope you can see it. Let me put it like that. All right. There's our negative side and a positive. Let's see how many volts we have. And we have 9.7, which is almost absolutely flat. Battery is discharged. Not sure why battery went that low. We could have some parasitic draw. We can have a problem with the charging system. We have to figure it out, or it could be just worn out old battery. Here we have a anti-gravity battery. Restart technology, press to restart. And this is a lithium battery. I have a jumper cable hooked up to KTM dead battery. Yamaha is idle. Let's check the charging voltage, and we should see around 14 volts. The battery flat, and yeah, Yamaha is charging KTM this time. All right, and we have 14.4, 14.5 charging voltage. Perfect. That's what you want to see when bike is running. But because this battery is absolutely flat, it's putting higher voltage. Normally it will be like 14, 13.8, but it's good. Okay, let's try to crank it over. Okay, choke is out, and let's push the crank button. Okay, she's cranking. Good crank. Let's charge it for a little bit. Maybe not getting enough juice to power the ignition system. Yeah. Okay, let's try it again. Check my connections. Seems like it's fine. Zero 14 volts. Well, battery is charging. I don't have any issues seeing 14 volts charging system is working properly. I mean, I will say the battery is probably pushed. Most likely she is old, she needs to be replaced, and we have a perfect charging voltage. Step will be to figure out why battery went that low. First, could be just old worn out battery which needs to be replaced, most likely, or we have somewhere parasitic draw in electrical circuit when bike is off and battery drained overnight. But I don't think so, but we'll confirm. We'll see if we have any current draw. Yeah, let's shut it off. There we go. She's quiet now, and yeah, let's crank it again. Might start, might not. And no, she's not going to start. Battery is done. Okay, bike has been sitting for 5 minutes after we shut it off. Let's check for any parasitic draw. Here's my M clamp. Let's set it to 20 amps scale, like that. All right, and we have to hook up an M clamp to one of the cables. Let's pull the positive cable, and we should see not more than 10-20 milliamps draw. Less is better, the small better, might be 5 even. Okay, we have 0, no drain. Yeah, we have 0. Motorcycle electrical system is not draining the battery when bike is off. Sometimes you have certain switches or solenoids or actuators powered when main relay is off, but in our situation we don't have any parasitic draw, which is good, and I'm going to replace the battery, and the new battery will fix the problem. Old battery is replaced, new battery is connected, and we are ready to start the bike. Let's pull the choke out all the way and use the electric starter to crank the engine over. Here we go. Beautiful bike fired right up. Well, I'm going to check the charging voltage again. Yeah, we have a good throttle response. Engine is purring like a kitten. Yeah, let's check the charging voltage, and after that we're going to check our parasitic draw. Okay, we are charging 14.1 volts, 14.2. Perfect. Charging system is working how it should. Yeah guys, if you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below. Let's turn the bike off and connect our multimeter, switching to amps. Okay, I'm going to set to 10 amps scale, and we are going to connect the multimeter in series. We checked the parasitic draw with the amp clamp, but now we're connecting our alligator clips, one to battery post, another one to the battery cable. I'm doing on the negative side, and my multimeter is working like a linkage between the electrical system of the bike and the battery. Yeah, and we're draining 0.002. Yeah, there's no any amperage drain. Perfect. Yeah, should be good to go. Thank you so much for your time watching this video. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting diagnosis, troubleshooting, repair videos. We do different kinds of repairs and DIAGs. And see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.